Today on the menu, holy lime cilantro guacamole. Start with avocado or olive oil. I recommend using a food processor, but you could probably also get away with a blender. Then add salt, cumin, coriander, and oregano. Then the super duper top secret ingredient you would never guess, avocados. Then add green onions, cilantro, lime juice, white wine vinegar, red onions, and garlic. Mix this all up in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you're in luck. There's a link in the description below. Now this recipe is good as is, and if you have it this way, you're gonna love it. But for me, it was just missing a little something, a little bit of sweetness, so I decided to add some honey. Be careful adding too much honey though, because you don't want the guacamole to be overly sweet. Now go ahead and give this a final mix. And when we're done, we're going to have our holy lime cilantro guacamole. Perfect for tacos, a dip, or on a salad. Still hungry? Check out my sunshine crescent roll casserole.